If your Costway portable air conditioner shows an E2 error code, it usually means there is a problem with the evaporator or coil temperature sensor inside the unit. This sensor monitors coil temperature and sends information to the control board. When the system detects abnormal readings, it automatically displays the E2 error to protect the air conditioner from damage. Start troubleshooting by turning off and unplugging the unit for a few minutes to reset it. Then check the temperature sensor wiring for loose connections, corrosion, or damaged wires. Dust buildup can also affect sensor readings, so gently clean the sensor area using a soft brush or compressed air. Make sure the drain pan is not full because excess water can sometimes trigger the error. You should also inspect the control board for visible burn marks or loose components if accessible. Keeping the air filter clean and ensuring proper airflow helps prevent sensor issues in the future. If the error continues after resetting and checking connections, the sensor or control board may need replacement and professional service is recommended.